No guilt in life, no fear in death. This is the power of Christ in me. From life's first cry to final breath, Jesus commands my destiny. No power of hell, no scheme of man can ever pluck me from His hand till He returns or calls me home. Here in the power of Christ, I'll stand till He returns or calls me home. Here in the power of Christ, I'll stand. Here in the power of Christ, I'll stand.
Mayag na aga sa aton nga tanan, sa aton mga maestra, sa supporter principal, Ma'am Mary Eileen P. Servidad, sa aton nga mga ginikanan, estudyante, SPTA officers, kag sa aton nga mga bisita, Project ETC and Company, specially headed by Mr. and Mrs. Cesa family. Ma'am, sir, welcome niya sa Tapikan. In behalf sa amon nga SPTA President Risa Marie Sandig, ako gali si Aisa sa presensya, Vice President. Damo gid ang amon nga pagpasalamat. Dako gid ang amon pagpasalamat sa padayon kag wala untad nga pagsuporta kag pagpatigayon sa sini nga programa, especially ang feeding program diri sa Tapikan Elementary School. Thankful gid kami kag dako gid amon nga pagpasalamat sa inyong bulig nga pagpadayon sa adlaw-adlaw nga katakangatanan. Kabaylo sini, kami nga mga ginikanan hindi gid magunta sa pagkadto diri sa eskwelahan sa pagluto sang amon mga kaon para sa amon mga kabataan. Sa liwat, madamo kinyo salamat and God bless us all.
Thank you, Vice President Ma'am Aiza Sopresensya. At this point, let's hear a message from Mrs. Ann Catedrilia Cesa. Ma'am. Children, palakpak, tutuwagin.
Good morning sa mga kabataan. We're so happy nga makita kamo nga ka-energetic gid. They're so energetic. They're happy. So first and foremost, I would like to recognize the partnership and collaboration with Central Philippine University Community Outreach Program headed by Sarix and Joanne. Parents of the Pecan Elementary School, faculty, staff, and teachers of the Pecan, the Parents Teachers Association, and I also would like to recognize the presence of my husband who is celebrating his birthday. That's why we have our guests from the United States. You know, stand up. This is Craig, this is Bob, Pinky, Marivic, my BFF Elena, and CPU. All of this are CPU alumni, okay? And part of the reason I like them to see what we do and the program that we really support. Mga kabataan, excited na kamo magbaton sang amon nga gindala nga snacks. Also, nagdalaman kami sa mga oral hygiene para mag-brush kamo sa inyong teeth. right? Yes? So we're very happy to be here. Thank you to all the teachers for your commitment and dedication to making sure the kids are well-fed and will keep learning and keep reading. For the parents who prepares the food in Neris, and I see vegetable garden as part of our program. We're very happy to see each and every one of you. By the way, ka pala nating iban ha? Ha? Why ka pala nating mga kabataan ha? Restless na gutom? Raise your hand kung gutom na ka mo. Wala man. Okay, so salamat kids ang inyong desire to learn and listen to your teachers. Di ba? Sino mong kapamati sa maestra nila? Bayaw ka mo? Nagustuhan ninyo ang mga school supplies that we're giving you guys? Kompleto? Kompleto ka mo sa bag? Kompleto sa mga school supplies? Kompleto mga uniforme nyo? So, we are here to support you, so we make sure your job is to eat well, sleep well, listen to your teachers, and read a lot. Diba? Read, 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 right? That's how you learn. Sino gusto magpangaranon di? Abi? Who wants to be rich? Raise your hand. I do Thailand. Abi, again, with ano ha? With energy and enthusiasm. Sino gusto magpangaranon again? Okay? It's not easy to be successful in life. You have to start early by paying attention, staying focused, right? And dedicate to reading so you keep learning. Diba? Sino gusto mag-police? Police? Who wants to be a teacher? Teacher. Who wants to be a nurse? Oh, damo. Who wants to be an engineer? Engineer. Dami ba? Great. Greg is a retired engineer in the United States, and Bob is a retired police officer. So who wants to be a police officer? So, pamati. Okay. So, happy gid kami nga ari kami subong magbisita sa inyo to make sure nga happy man kamo and you receive what we give, and to make sure the parents are in tune with the CPU outreach program as well as the teachers. We are all on the same page. Dahil wala itang iban ka ba mati mo? Ning. Sit down. Okay. Abi nyo, kung hindi ka mo mamati, wala din ka mo abutan sa inyong kabuhi. Kinanglan mamati and really focus. You don't have to be the smartest one, but you have to be the most dedicated, the most committed, and the most focused kid. Okay? So, anyhow, salamat. We're very happy to be here. I think my husband wants to say something. Come to her. He gets emotional every time we go and visit the kids because, you know, it's our way of giving back para makabulit man sa pamilya, sa mga kabataan. I see the difference, no? Ang energy and the kagdawang sa ila compare than how long have we started this program here? John? So we started this program in 2009. 2021. So 4 years pa lang, 4 years. Okay. Yeah. So anyhow, salamat kid for your warm welcome, and we're very happy to be here to see the faces of the kids, to make sure that everybody are well. So I think excited din sila sa mga pagkaon that you want to say something. Oh, you want to say happy birthday to Sir Lloyd? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Ready? Sing!
Thank you very much. Mga kabataan, kasi nalipat ka mo, iliwanan ko ngalan ko. Tinatawag ng dako parang abuloy. So, ang nakita ako sa tilat, kinalayanan ako. Sorry for the visitors. Nakita ko ang changes sa life ninyo. Nga all of you looks like very healthy since we started the feeding program, and we're happy to see that. On the other hand, there's some question of mine sa mga estudyante nga way kapamati. So I don't know sino kapamati kaninyo sa inyo maestra. Oh, nagamata-mata ka rin. So I see that they started to focus on what we say here at the front. Hindi ko papalawigin man ang akin na storya or pamangkot. Kaya ang asawa ko pamangkot, sino gusto magpulis? Sino gusto magmaestra? Sino gusto pangisda? Sino gusto mag-fishing? Hindi mo? So, there's a lot of things that you can do. And it's better for you, or pinaka-importante nga mag-umpisa ka mo sa tilad nga pang-edadan ninyo, mag-focus kung ano gusto nyo mag-gain sa urihin ng mga inadlaw. Kay for sure, ang mga parents ninyo will do everything to send you to college. Ang sara lang nakulang na pamangkot ni Mrs. sa profession, kung sino gusto mag-politiko, sino gusto mag-politician, mag-politiko, mag-mayor, sino gusto niyo? Madyan man. Sino gusto mag-barangay kapitan? Oh, you see, there's a lot of students who are interested to be the future leaders of this community. Sa mga babae, sino ang gusto mag-matric? Isa lang? No. Sa mga laki, sino gusto magpare? Very good. At least 1 or 2 or 3, 4. Ang urihin ko nga pamangkot, pamatay ka mo. Sino gusto maging manukpulang kapatindin kang pulisyo? Sino? So, happy ako nga nakakang ambisyon nga mag-breed yung manok at mag-ulang sa bulangan natin rin sa San Joaquin Colosseum. Ikaw, Day, kaparang buhay mo. Hindi ka magpasapulang, hindi ka mag-intra, kaparang buhay ikaw. So anyway, pasalamat kami nga nakita natin, we see the progress of our donation to the students, that the way their face, their health is good, and we will continue to have this school until we can achieve, your goals in life. Damo kayo salamat. Raket niya salamat. So many thanks for greeting my birthday. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Senator Cesar and Ma'am Ann Catedrilla Cesar, for inspiring our learners to achieve their dreams. At this point, let us hear another message from the CPU Project ETC Community Engagement and Service Learning Office, no other than Director, Professor Sarix Tipo Jr.
Mayong aga sa tanan. Ang Project ETC, no? Ang Project ETC sa siya Social Development Initiatives. Okay. So, ang Project ETC sa siya Social Development Initiatives in partnership with Central Philippine University. Ang tinutuyo sa sininga inisyatibo to combat malnutrition and to reduce or to eliminate dropouts sa ato ng mga public schools. So, lingin ko na ka mga estudyante at nakapatod sinino sa ato ng Project ETC kundi nag-donate kita sa mga school supplies kag mga feeding materials. So, ginapangayo lang nato sa ato ng mga kabataan na mag-eskwela lagi, no? Kag tipitan, kag talungan ang ginahatag sa ato sa Project ETC. So, salamat kita kay Doc Ann, thank you so much. Kay Sir Lloyd, sa sining inisyatibo. So in return, no, good health, more blessing, infinite blessing sa kay Doc Ann at kay Sir Lloyd. Madami sa naman.
Thank you, sir. Okay, this time let's be entertained by a dance number to be rendered by Chloe Ice Mariel Sandi and Niel Dizon. Next, gusto mo yung sao? Basta taga-tapikan? Wow! Basta taga-tapikan? Okay, so next we have the mascots from Kinder Grade 6. Stand up ang children, kamu na sao? Okay, at this point, let's hear a message from Ma'am Mary Eileen P. Servidad, Head Teacher 3 of Tapican Elementary School. Ma'am?
Dali lang. Abi children, palakpak kami tudo, anay? Okay, we are very happy. Today, kay Tilan Adlaw, we have our visitors today. We have the Project ETC, headed by our directors, Professor Dipol Jr., Sarex Dipol Jr., and in the logistics we have Ma'am John Castor. And of course, and of course, we have our very own, ang may puso, concern, and love to Tapican Elementary School learners, parents, and teachers. We have Sir Buloy Cesar, palakpak, who is celebrating his birthday today, and Ma'am Ann Caterina Cesar. Palakpakan natin! Nag-auto-duto na microphone ka, ha? And of course, no? We are happy also na may mga friends si Ma'am Cesar and Sir Buloy Cesar ang manadyata natin. And I know one kanina, si Ma'am Delia Celia ano? Kagan. Okay, palakpakan natin. The rest. And Ma'am sorry, kilala ko, Ma'am, Sambayan and the rest, hindi ko man ma-mention. Welcome to Tapican Elementary School. Kabay, this is not just the last day na pagbisita, welcome kamo with Ma'am and Sir Cesa and the Project CPU ETC. Okay. No, the teaching staff of the Tapic Elementary School, parents, the SPTA officers, and the 163 learners are very much grateful to this Project ETC with our very own Mr. and Mrs. Cesa for choosing this school or our school to be the recipient. Ang mga recipient kang kadyang project, no? Is really makambala niya blessing kanamit tanan. Blessing sa teachers, sa parents, and sa learners. Because sa amo niya nga pamaagi, no? A big help to us if the children are well nourished with a school, with a feeding program na patigayan ka Project ETC, with the supplies na natugronan the uniform, the school uniform, the PE uniform, the notebooks, everything, the food bags, the things needed by the learners in school. No? Bahul ginangaan na kadyang contribution sa pag-eskwela ang mga kabataan. Children, are you listening? Are you sure you're listening? Okay. A big help. When children are well nourished, they can undergo activities given to them in school. They can perform at their very best when they are well nourished. And they can have, as what Ma'am said a while ago, they can stay focused sa kung ano nga mga activities na ginapatigayan sa school nga would lead them to success someday. No? Tapican is very blessed to these people, no? Nga may puso, as what I said a while ago, nga nagatugro, nga nagapatigayon, kang mga kinangnanon, kang mga bataan in school. No? Palakpakan natin sa na children. Ay, hinay, palakpak ninyo. In our school, no? Kabay pa nga you are all be blessed with good health para nga ang having good health means you can share also blessings, more blessings pa sa mga kabataan nga nakinahanglanon kang mga assistants sa andang pagbuhos, no? So, nagpasalamat din kami. Hindi naman ma-express ang aming pagpasalamat sa mga bugay, sa mga grasya, sa mga blessings, sa mga na-share na naman sa Tapican. So, with that, children, okay? With that, abitin na rin mo. Everybody, stand. We will say a thank you song. We will sing a thank you song. No? Sa Project ETC and to Sir Buloy Cesa and Ma'am Ana Okay? Ready? Namin na? Yes. Okay. Tutuho na rin iwan. Okay, no? Okay. Ulangan tayo kanta na namin kay Sir Cesa at birthday na nila. Okay, we will sing happy birthday. Together, ha? Grade 6, you take a lead. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Ready? Ready? Sing! Happy birthday to you.
inyo?
Again, salamat sa mga estudyante sa pagkanta sa birthday song for me. Ang isa ka bagay na idugang ko sa mga comments ko, ang mga kabataan, listen. Naintindihan ko sa una ng aking nanay nakmaestra niya sa Kapikan. Pang mga upod niya, si Manang Siliang na maestra man. So nadagdaman ko na nagapungko ako, kung ano maestra si Mami niya sa Kapikan na ganyan pa. Tayo na kasi ura pa ako, o kung ura pa ako matao. Kaya mausandanin ng Siliang, kag na-remember niya rin nga si Mami ko, nag-teach rigya sa Kapikan. Kag ang isa pa nga pasidunggan ko, ang aking maninoy na si Dr. Siba. Maninoy ko diya. Pero may kami na panglasaw rigya sa andan pasya na galingan. So, Kapikan is a memorable place for me. So, Raquel, ganyan, salamat sa inyong tanan.
We request our friends to join us in giving out your snacks and oral hygiene kits, okay?
project